Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven, a self-proclaimed mental health enthusiast, and today we're talking journaling. I have for you 10 journal prompts for self-discovery, okay? In other words, it's 10 journal prompts to help you find yourself. This was extra special and extra important for me to do because right now I'm in a place in my life where I feel like I have lost myself, and I have deemed the year 2020 to be the year that I reclaim my sense of self. Okay, that is like my big overarching goal, is to reclaim my sense of self. And I always say that if I'm going through it, I know that there are others in the world that are going through it too. Okay, so if you feel like you don't quite know where you are in life, you don't quite know where you're going, what direction you're supposed to be going in, you don't really know who you are, you don't really know what kind of things you like anymore, all you do is go to work, come home, go to school, come home. You don't even know if you want to be in this major anymore. You don't even know if you like this job. Do you like these people? Do you like laying up next to this person in bed? Ooh. Okay. If you just feel like you've lost yourself somewhere along the way, this is the perfect video for you. I really do think that these prompts, these journaling prompts, are going to be useful. Now, if you don't already journal, I highly encourage you to start. I will be doing a video in the future on how to start journaling for beginners. Everything you need to start journaling. I will do that in the future. So please hit that subscribe button so you know when I post a new video, so you can get notified when I make that video, okay? Because journaling has so many amazing benefits. You get the self-reflection, you get the necessary downtime, you discover things about yourself that you never would have guessed through writing. There's something so cathartic about putting pen to paper. It's that flow from the mind all the way down the arm through the fingertips. For me, it's the left, right? I'm a lefty. All the way down the arm, through the fingertips, through the pen and onto the paper. There's something very cathartic about that. I really do believe lots of subconscious things like to flow out through pens and onto paper for you to discover for your conscious self. So if you don't journal, I highly encourage you to start journaling. If you already journal, you know, you've done it before, I highly encourage you to keep doing it, okay? So let's get into the prompts. Number 1, describe your ideal day in great detail. What does it look like, smell like, taste like, sound like, and feel like? I love this prompt because you really get to discover who you are. You get to find yourself. You get to figure out, what is it that I like? What makes me happy? Through this prompt, you're going to figure that out. What do I like to do when I wake up? Gosh, maybe I never really asked myself, what does my ideal day look like? Right? This is a good one, okay? Prompt number 2. What is your biggest fear? So for this prompt, I really want you to dive deep into your fear, or plural, fears, and explain them in great detail. Tell me everything about your fears. Why are they your fears? Why do you think where do you think they originated? Why do you think you have them? Why are you holding on to them? What's stopping you from overcoming this fear? Okay. Journal prompt number 3, very similar, is what is your biggest regret? This is a good one. A lot of times we like to say, oh, I live my life with no regrets. But I really don't think that's true. I don't think that's honest. I mean, to a certain extent, yes, right? You should be comfortable and confident in many or most of your decisions. But the truth is, we have regrets. I have regrets. So let's talk about your biggest regret. Tell me about it. What would you do differently? This is a great way to really encourage yourself. This is a great way to see how far you've come. I really regret doing that. And this is what I would have done differently. That is growth. And this is a great time to self-reflect, okay? Journal prompt number 4. What is your greatest strength? And how did you develop this strength? Now, I love this prompt because you get to talk yourself up. What are you good at? What is the best thing about you? This is a great time to just celebrate yourself. And I love everything about it. Journal prompt number 5. What is the number one problem you would like to solve in the world? Oh, I love this one so much because you guys know that I am a naturally philanthropic or, humanitarian type of person. I am a self-proclaimed change maker in the making. And so I love this prompt. What is one problem you would solve in this world? I'm ready to jump into it already. This journal prompt really, really excites me. So in this prompt, you can talk about the problem you want to solve. Why do you want to solve this problem? How has this problem impacted you personally? Or what connects you to this problem? What makes you the best person to solve it? So many different things you can do with these prompts. And guys, please, please, please be free. Have fun. The entire point is to figure out who you are. Find yourself. Self-discovery. That's exactly what this is all about. Self-reflection, right? So have fun with this. Go crazy. Do whatever you want with these prompts, okay? Journal prompt number 6. What is the one thing you wish people knew about you? Oh, this is such a great prompt. What is the one thing you wish people knew about you? Maybe it's tough for you to say. Maybe you feel misunderstood. Oh my goodness, for so much of my life, I used to say, Jesus, I am so misunderstood, my Lord. What do you wish people knew about you? Be honest, be raw here, be true. Tell your truth here, okay? And tell it well. Go get them. I love this prompt. Journal prompt number 7. Name one thing that you feel you are missing in your life. How would this thing change your life for the better? What do you think you're missing in your life? Man, this is really good. This is a good one. This one's really going to force you to reflect and dig deep and really figure out, what is it? What is that thing that you're missing? And how would it change your life for the better? Answer this question with honesty, okay? Leave all fear to the side for this one. Please be true here as well. For all of these prompts, be true. For all of your journaling endeavors, be true. Be honest, be raw, and be unapologetic, okay? Journal prompt number 8. What brings tears to your eyes? I love this one too. I'm probably going to say that about every single prompt I do. I just love journal prompts. I love open-ended questions and self-discovery and probing. I love it. What brings tears to your eyes? What makes you cry? What makes you cry tears of joy? Or what makes you sad? Whatever it might be, what brings tears to your eyes? Explore that. Get into that. Feel that. Experience that. Experience that on your page, on your journal page. I highly encourage you to have fun with this one and to really take a deep dive. What makes you cry? Journal prompt number 9. Write the words you need to hear. This is a good one. Write the words you need to hear. Now, this is going to take some guts, right? This is going to take some real honesty, maybe some tough love, which sometimes I like, right? I don't know. Sometimes I like it. It might require some tough love. Be honest with yourself. Be real with yourself. Be compassionate with yourself. Write the words you need to hear. Right? So you sit down with your journal and you say, what do I need to hear today? And write it down. Finally, our last journal prompt number 10. You just moved into your dream home. You look out the kitchen window. What do you see? What do you see? I love this prompt because it is begging you to imagine. It is begging you to dream, and I love that. I'm a dreamer. It's begging you to visualize, maybe manifest a little bit. What do you see when you look out the window of your dream home? What does it look like? Maybe explore those 5 senses. What does it look like, smell like, taste like, sound like, and feel like? Okay? That's it. Those are my 10 journal prompts. Guys, these are good prompts. Get into this. Let me know how it goes. Please come back and report back and let me know how your journaling experience went with any of these prompts. If you have any good prompts, leave them down below in the comment section. And as always, I will meet you down there. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that bell notification so that you're notified as soon as I post a new video just like this one. This was so good. I love these videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.